Welcome back, nail crew. Welcome back. So today I'm doing some quarantine nails, and these are some really short nails. So if you're into short nails, you'll love this video. But before we do that, let's give a hey girl, hey to Vanity and Beyond. Now, Vanity does have a YouTube channel, you guys. So I'll be leaving the link to her channel in the description box. She just had a giveaway. You guys, the giveaway was so good, but I didn't win. Make sure you subscribe to her channel so that you can be part of her next giveaway. And good luck to you guys. And good luck to me because I didn't even freaking win, you guys. I didn't even win. But good luck to myself on the next giveaway. All right, so let's just dive on into this set. These are going to be some really short nails. So I've done most of the prep off camera, but right now you see me adding the primer. The primer that I'm using, you guys know, is the same one that I always use, and you can find it on my website. So once the primer is dried, then you want to go in with a base coat. So today I don't want to confuse you guys, but I'm going to use two different base coats. So as I use each base coat, I'll tell you why I'm using a thicker one versus a not so thick one. So I'll explain it to you as I use it. So here we go. And I'm using the thicker base coat. And I like to use a thick base coat when I'm using it as a base coat. Does that make sense? So when I'm using it to base the nails, I prefer something thicker. I feel like it holds better. In my mind, it just feels like it hugs the nail better and it gives for better adhesion. So if you cannot afford the gel bottle ink, because I know that it's very pricey and you need a nail license to purchase it, if you cannot get a hold of it, check the link in my description box. I did a video where I compared most of my base coats and I compared up to like 20 different base coats. So if you cannot get a hold of this particular brand, there's plenty other dupes out there. So like I said, I'm using two different base coats today. So in addition to the base coat, you'll also need a cute little spoon or something to scoop the acrylic on the nail. And then of course you'll need some acrylic powder. I'm using white, but obviously any color will work for this. So I'm going to brush on the base coat. The reason why I'm using a thinner consistency base coat for this part is because I feel like the acrylic will sink down into it better. Does that make sense? So the first base coat I used was so thick, I feel like if I scooped acrylic onto it, it will sit on top. Like it's so thick that it won't allow the color, the pigment, the powder to soak down into all the layers of the gel. It'll just sit on top and kind of float on top. And then that will give you like a patchy kind of look. I didn't want that. Obviously, I want it to be nice and uniform. So I switched to a thinner base coat. Now you could use any gel for this. It does not have to be base coat. It could be a hard gel. Any gel will work. Okay. Also, if you have a thicker gel or a thinner gel, all of them will work. I just feel like for this particular part, a thinner gel will hold the pigment better. That's just how I rationalize it in my mind. But you guys, use what you have. The set will be beautiful, I'm sure, whether you use a thicker base coat or a thinner base coat. All right. So basically, all you do for this is brush on your base coat and then scoop on the powder, right? We're not going to do a clear layer of powder under the color, and that's because this is a simple overlay. We're not trying to add bulk. We're not adding any length, so therefore the nails do not have to be thick. We don't have to build an apex. We don't have to do any of that. All we want to do is add color to the nail, all right? So I added the base coat. I let that cure for a full 60 seconds, and now I'm adding a thinner base coat. I'm scooping the colored acrylic right into that gel, and then I'm going to cure it for a full 60 seconds. And how simple is that? All my quarantine sisters and brothers out there, your nails are looking a hot mess, sis. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Okay, let's get it together. So I did the right hand, right? The first 4 fingers, I'm letting that cure while I move on to the left hand. So I'm going to do 4 fingers on the right, 4 fingers on the left, and then kind of do the thumbs last. I always find that when I'm working with gels, if I do the thumb while the pinky is still wet, when I turn the hand over to get the thumb, something always happens to that pinky, right? So I did the first 4, let those cure and set in place. Now I can do the thumb without worrying about messing up that pinky. So the same thing, you brush on that base coat and you just scoop on the powder. You guys, this is so simple, right? So my sister, she's never had dip, like she's never had a dip overlay. So you see like the powder is on her nails and on her fingers. And she said, what the hell? I was cracking up. I said, girl, it will be fine. Just relax. But when she saw the powder on her finger, she was like, what the hell is this? But obviously, once it's cured, you just take your brush, you guys, and brush it away. The brush that I'm using is from the bottle. Ain't this thing cute? I believe the name of the brush that I'm using is called the Aretha. You girls and boys out there, I know you want one. So I'll leave the link and the coupon code to that brush. All right, so now, you guys, I brushed off all that extra powder. And so she's looking at the nails like, oh, okay. At first, she was like, what the hell is this? And now she's like, oh, okay, that's cute. So now I am doing a second layer. This part is optional. Obviously, if you want a thinner nail look, or you don't want it as bright or as pigmented, you could add just 1 layer, right? If you wanted it more thicker or more pigmented, then obviously, you know, you could add 3 layers. Today, I'm just going to do 2 because this powder gave me the look that I wanted after just 2 layers. So we're going to do exactly the same thing, brush on the gel and then scoop on the powder. So simple, so simple. I feel like this is the easiest way to get an overlay that will last. You know what I mean? I definitely feel like anyone could do this. And it would be so fun if when she came back in a couple weeks to get her nails done again, if she will let me do her right hand, because she's right hand dominant. So if she would let me do her right hand and then she copied me and did her left hand. Oh my gosh, you guys, that would show you how simple it would be to do your nails, because she's not a DIYer. She's definitely not that gal. She's not, no. She might be able to throw on some regular polish. You know what I mean? Like she could polish her own nails, but I don't think she's ever tried anything like this, ever. So this would be new to her. I'm going to try to convince her. You guys, in the comment section below, okay, this is what I want you guys to write in the comment section. Sister Plain Polish, do your nails and let Nikki record it for the nail crew. Yeah, just write that. Oh, yes. And I'm going to screenshot it. I'm going to send it to her. I'm going to make her feel so bad. I'm going to guilt her into it. I'm going to guilt her into doing her nails so that I can record it. Oh my gosh, she's going to say no. I already know she's not with it. I'm going to pull out my big sister bossiness and I'm going to be like, you got to do it. The nail crew has voted. This is what they want to see. You got to do it. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see, nail crew. We'll see. All right. So moving on. So I did the right hand. The second layer goes exactly the way the first layer goes. So once you get the first layer down, everything else is smooth sailing. So I did the first 4 nails. That's in the lamp curing. I did the 4 nails on the other hand. Now that's in the lamp curing. So back over to the right hand so that I could do the thumb. And then when that goes in the lamp and cures, I'll be doing the thumb on the left hand. Okay. So that's pretty much how I do it. I go back and forth. I do have 2 lamps, you guys. I have 2 lamps just to make it a little bit more convenient when we're switching back and forth. That way your client doesn't have to cross. It's just like very comfortable for them. They have a lamp on the left and a lamp on the right. I got that idea from 2 people, Young Nails, because Tracy, when she does nails, she suggests that you have 2 lamps so that you could go faster. So Young Nails talks about that. But also Princess Nails by Diana. She has 2 lamps as well. And she uses that for the same reason. So I was like, oh my gosh, everybody got 2 lamps with me. All right, bet. So now I have 2 lamps as well. And it does make life a lot easier. But I want you guys to know it is optional. If you have 2 lamps, great. You're going to love it. If you don't, you can still get the job done with just 1 lamp. All right, let me show you guys the acrylic that I'm using is from OPI. I got this from a nail sister. She sent it to me because she said she hated it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's some of the best white acrylic powder that I've tried. And then the base coat that I was using is the I'm a Lee. You can find that on Amazon. So of course, I'll leave a link to that. It would be in my Amazon affiliate link. The link will be in the description box. Just click it and go to the section that says polishes and you will find it. So now I'm just brushing away all the extra powder and the nails are coming along. I still have to encapsulate and file and all that fun stuff. But yeah, so far they are coming along just nicely. So now I'm going back to my thick base coat. So I used a thick base coat to base the nails, right? Then I used a thinner base coat because it's going to soak up the color and the pigment and the powder better, right? So I switched to my thinner base coat when I was dealing with the pigments. And now that that's all said and done, I'm encapsulating and I'm using the thicker base coat to encapsulate. So the thick base coat is like the sandwich. It's the bread, right? The bottom layer and the top layer. And then I use the thinner base coat and the colored powder on the inside of the sandwich. So that could be like, I don't know, the lettuce and the tomato, I guess. I don't know. And the thicker one is the bread. Whatever, you guys. You get the picture. You get the picture. So now I'm really just brushing over the base coat. I'm encapsulating the color. So that way when I file it, there's no chunks that will come out of my color. And she'd have a nice, even white coat of nails. And that's just it. That's it. We're done, you guys. That's it. No, I'm kidding. I'm not done yet. I'm not done. I have to harass her. You guys know she doesn't like her nails done, and it's always a fight. So at this moment, you know, the nails are coming to an end. I'm almost done. I'm just encapsulating. And I'm arguing with her. We're arguing because I want to add something else. I want to do a bling. I want to do some stickers. I want to do glitter. Just anything. Just give me something, sis. Give me something. And she's saying, no, no, no. So yeah, that's what's happening right now. So added the base coat. I cured it in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. It's super sticky when you take it out of the lamp. So you see me just spraying it down, just removing that sticky inhibition layer. That sticky layer, it's normal. It's natural. That's just how gels are. Don't feel like there's something wrong with you or your gels. Just grab some alcohol and spray it and wipe it away. Or you could just have your client go wash their hands. The stickiness will come right off. Then you're going to file it, and you're filing this like you would anything else. You do whatever you want and then try to seal it real quick. Right. No, I'm not playing. What about these two? No, one finger. What about these two? Just these two. No. Two. Throw it off a little. Throw it off a little. Having a conversation with your doctor. And don't be heavy with it. Just a little splash. Okay. That's it. That's it. All right, let me spread it out. Oh my God, I said not. Let me. Okay, I'm not. I'm just trying to. No, I want it to be thin. Okay, just let me. So you can still see the white underneath. Okay. Okay. That's enough. Let me. See. I'm not adding more. I'm just spreading out what I already got. I'm just literally just spreading it out. Oh my God. That's all I'm doing. I'm not adding more. I promise. Just so it's not in one clump. Yes. Yes. Let me see. Let me see. Oh my God. Let me look at it. All right. Leave it. Okay. Let me just spread it out.
Traditionally, black people have been shut out of the financial system. My grandfather founded Industrial Bank in 1934, so black people would have a bank that would work with them. Because our doors are open, other doors are opening to more.
All right, hand in. Ooh, hand in the lamp. All right, give me the other hand. Give me the other hand.
Traditionally, black people have been shut out of the.
You want it on the same finger, or you want to try a different finger?
Founded Industrial Bank in 1934, so black people would have.
I know.
Because our doors are open.
I don't know. See. I don't want too many of the thick pieces.
Oh man, I can't.
Okay, hand in. Give me that other hand. Should we do another finger?
No. Yes.
Like this one?
My
Maybe
God,
this
that
one.
is so cute.
No, just let it be.
You're
Okay,
so
fine.
lame. Gosh, at least all of
Listen,
it glitter.
I'm about to say, Tara, take it off.
Take off what? The glitter?
Damn it.
I'm not taking the glitter off. You can cancel that. It's on there now.
Oh God.
Sure.
Well, you should do it. Like,
Let me go ahead and seal it in.
at least 2 of them.
I'm about to seal it in real quick, Drea. Don't worry.
Hurry.
Don't worry. Don't
Mom, you don't
worry.
want 2 of the
Hush.
glitter? It's
No.
cute like that.
Nope.
You're so lame.
Nope.
Okay, so we're gonna hold the hand down so that the
How you got like this? Both of your
right.
sisters
How
are
did
lit.
you get like this?
Even your mom is lit. Like, what the freak? Like, you're so boring. And
She said, "How'd you get like this?"
I used to like red and stuff on my nails, but
Oh, red. Let's do red next time. She got quiet.
no, for some reason, no, it's not that I don't like it. For some reason, I don't think it fits my complexion. Like, I don't think
No, I think it doesn't fit my
I don't
complexion.
think it looks good on
I don't fit
my
my
complexion.
complexion.
No, it is for
It
your
fits yours.
complexion,
It
Ayana.
fits your
I
complexion.
don't think it fits my complexion. I
It
think it's
fits
for
your
the lighter
color.
skin tone.
Lighter than you?
You're yellow.
No.
How light do you want it?
Right. No, it's
White?
for
I
you.
don't think it fits my complexion.
No. It's for
Mother,
you.
You're yellow.
You're the color that it's for. I
Exactly.
think you'll look good with it. I would look crazy with
Me
it.
too.
I'm gonna wear it though. Let's get red one time, Drea.
I don't want red.
Ah,
I don't want
Silence.
red.
No, I really don't want it either. I just want to see what she was gonna say. Let me see.
Oh man. Aw, so cute. Little girl
Okay, hand
nails.
in. Right, little girl now. Put your hand
Little
in.
baby nails.
Give me the other hand. These little girl nails.
Look like Ebony would have her nails
Little baby nails.
like Ebony nails.
Yeah, she get them
Those are her
dipped
nails.
like this. Yep, she get them just like this.
That's all.
All right, now, crew. I had to leave a little bit of the audio in so that you guys can hear what I go through every freaking time. And she still doesn't even know that I'm recording yet. She doesn't know yet. So at this point, she thinks that her nails are so plain that it wouldn't make for a good video. And she thinks that she's off the hook. And she doesn't know yet that I'm recording. But she'll find out in a second. She's about to find out. Anyway, you guys, the nails to me so far look so cute. But yeah, I think that they would be, a little cuter if they were long, but it's okay because I know not everybody likes long nails. So, and like I mentioned in my last video, I have to start practicing doing short nails because I'm not comfortable with doing something really, really short or really, really long. I'm only comfortable doing like a medium to long length, but anything that's super short or super, super long, I'm kind of insecure about. So I have to practice. And hey, that's what I'm doing. I'm practicing. So can't get no shorter than this. You can't get no shorter than this. So I'm just applying the cuticle oil. This is the same cuticle oil that I sell on my website. The packaging here is a little differently because I'm trying different packages out and things like that. But you can still purchase the cuticle oil on my website. She's back! Yep.
Don't take a picture of this.
I am taking a picture.
Yes.
And I'm posting it.
No.
Yeah,
Yes.
You recorded it?
Yep.
I know that's right.
Because
Yep.
it's nothing.
Yep, that's what you get. That's what you get.
Sister Flame Polish got some design.
Oh my God.
No, they probably be happy because you got white this time. They probably be like,
something new.
yeah, they probably be excited for you. Like, oh, shoot.
I'm so proud of her.
Oh my God. No.
Her little baby hands.
Shut up.
Hell no.
I can't.
All right, Jill, pass me the white
Yeah,
mat.
right there, man. Oh my God.
There we go.
Rub
Sister
it in.
Flame Polish.
After the pose.
I can't do that.
All right, guys, what do you think? They're short, they're white, and they're glittery. I think they're not too bad. They actually look kind of cute to me. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. Sister Plain Polish. You'll be doing your own nails. Next videos. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Love you guys so much. Bye.